Hi everyone, Alex Shelton here, the Amazon trainer. I'm an Amazon consultant and work with small businesses, global brands and private label sellers to achieve serious sales on Amazon. And I'm delighted to be making this video today in conjunction with AMZScout. What I would like to do today is share with you my exact 7 steps that I use with my clients that can generate $100,000 in sales in just 3 months. Yes, just 3 months, even if you are a complete beginner on Amazon. I just want to ask you a quick question to start off with though. If you were thinking about getting started as an Amazon seller, what's your long-term goal here? Is it to become financially free? Is it to sell your Amazon business? Is it so you can pay off your mortgage? Whatever your long-term goal is, just make a note of it and date it. Having a goal will give your Amazon business value to you, and having an Amazon plan will help you to achieve this dream. Let's talk planning then. I have 7 proven steps to help anyone, even if you're completely new to all of this Amazon stuff and starting from scratch, to become a successful Amazon seller. So, step 1 is about finding your products. Obviously a hugely important part of the process, and one of the key areas you have to consider when doing your product research is, does this product have potential for long-term success? And if you launch your product on Amazon tomorrow, could your product get to page number 1 in an Amazon search? If so, you're onto a winner. AMZScout is a fantastic tool to help you with this side. Now, when I talk about creating your very own Amazon business from scratch, I'm mainly talking about private labeling. Now, for those of you who are maybe completely new to this term private labeling, what it basically means is you find a product type or a completely unique product and have that product manufactured for you by a third party. The product is then branded with your own branded label. The other side is that you can wholesale items, head to your local bargain warehouse or online suppliers and sell products that aren't your own brand. But what this tends to do is put you in the position of being in a price war with other sellers. And nobody really wants that. And from experience can be very time consuming. So if you really want to create your very own Amazon business, then think private labeling. Now, one of the questions I get asked all the time from complete beginners is, Alex, how many product types do I need to sell on Amazon to make a serious income? And the reality is you might only need 1 product. It's more than possible to achieve a high level of sales with just 1 product. The key is to do great product research, but what's equally important is to plan your Amazon business. You might also never actually see your product because with FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, your products can be sent directly to an Amazon fulfillment center. You only really need a laptop and a good internet connection to get started. Step 2, setting up as an Amazon seller. A lot of people ask me, Alex, do I need to set up as a business first? And the answer is no, you don't. You don't have to, but it certainly comes with its advantages. Whether you're a business or an individual, you need to understand the fees and calculate your net profit and net margin on your chosen product. Step 3, learning the Amazon seller platform. I can't stress enough just how important this step is. When I started selling on Amazon myself, I found this hugely frustrating because the platform isn't as intuitive as you might think. And there's a great deal to think about, so massively important you understand what's possible and where everything is. Step 4, Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. Sending your products directly to an Amazon fulfillment center in the country you're looking to sell in so that Amazon handle the distribution and customer service for you. Now, this is a great service for so many reasons, but the key reason is it frees up your time. You're not having to package and send out every order that comes in. Amazon does all of that for you. Step 5, advertising and branding. To be successful as an Amazon seller, you will have to consider advertising within Amazon to really give your sales a kickstart. And this is available to you within the seller platform. You might also want to consider creating a brand to enhance your product listings on Amazon. Step 6, consider social media advertising. You might be thinking, Alex, what has social media advertising got to do with Amazon? Well, what you can do is think about who is likely to buy your products, what do they look like, their age, their gender, interests, and target those specific people with an ad directing them to your product listing on Amazon. So, for example, I'm looking to sell a tennis racket on Amazon. I can actually target people who have an interest in tennis with an ad that appears on their Facebook homepage when they log in. And if they click onto that ad, they are taken to the tennis racket on Amazon. It's powerful stuff. Finally, step 7, expanding your business globally. Amazon has this great potential, which means that you sell your products not just in the US or not just in the UK, for example, but all over the world. And with FBA, Amazon can be distributing your products for you and taking care of the customer service. So those are my 7 exact steps, and I'm going to be showing you how you can do all of this in my latest webinar in conjunction with AMZScout. How you can start a business from scratch and achieve $100,000 in sales in just 3 months. I'll also be introducing you to Amazon's subscribe and save feature, which means that customers can sign up and you achieve repeat orders and ongoing income. Just watch those orders keep rolling in. So thanks for joining me today, guys, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.